Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Firstly, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access System Settings. Following that, click on Keyboard and Input Method, select Gboard, and click on Text Correction. Lastly, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!